Welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn about Python dictionary. Before that we have learned about list, we have learned about tuples. So now we are going to learn about Python dictionary. So we have seen in this list like a list where it's ordered and it's a collection of element. Already we have seen tuples. In tuples also we have ordered data, and what we can do using this index, we can we can fetch our data. But now when we have list, we have these tuples. So question is that why we need a dictionary, since already we have another data type. So usage, we know dictionary, how dictionary works. There we give some like a translator. There dictionary, we give value, we give key value. We look for some specific values for that based on the given key. So in the same way how dictionary works, it's a kind of lookup, or you can see any another example. Do we feed our contact list. There what we do, we give some name, abc some name, and then after we give the mobile number, what mobile number belongs to that person. So it's kind of like we are passing this key name as a key, and value, what is the value for that mobile number. So that is also you can one of the example, phone. There we are feeding contact list, and we give a name of the person and name of the mobile. So that means when you need to fetch, what you do, you don't remember the mobile number. So what you do, you just press the name. So if in after we are fetching the value. So that another one example. Now coming for dictionary. So here Python dictionaries are versatile data structure that allows you to store key value pair. So in Python dictionary, what we do, we store the value as a key and value pair. That means we give the key, we give the value. When we need to fetch, use the key, get the value. If you are giving the value, you get this key. So also these dictionaries are mutable data structure that allow you to store key value pair. And you can create using this dict method, dict constructor, or curly braces in this key value pair. So left side you can keep left side of the key, and right side of the value. The key value should be, the key should be unique and immutable object. Dictionary class is dict. Project level, this Python dictionary is very I can say it's useful, and we use all this method which is available in dictionary to day our Python, our application. When we develop our project application, so there we are going to use Python dictionary. And each and every places we use. It's a very frequent use, I can say. It's a very frequent use compared to other. This is the dictionary fruit color. So in that, as I said, we give this we create this dictionary in key value pair. So this is banana is a key, and what color of banana, so that is the green, so that means value. Here this watermelon I am giving as key, and what color, this is the red, so that is the value. Papaya I am giving this as a key, and yellow I am giving as a value. So if I will fetch this, so you can see here, like I am printing banana, green, watermelon, so that is the value. So now this fruit color is a dictionary, and I want to fetch this value. If I want to fetch this value, so let's say I don't want to see entire dictionary, I want to fetch some specific value. So when you want to fetch a specific value, so we have a way to fetch this. Either what I'm doing, this is the what I'm doing here, this is the fruit color, and then banana. So I'm printing here what is this banana, and then what I'm doing, so that from the key. But if you want to see all the key values, you want to see all the key values, so here what are the key values? If you look at this fruit color, that is the dictionary. In that you can see this is the banana is a key, watermelon is a key, papaya is a key. So what we are going to do with all the key, so what generally we do, we put a loop, any loop, for loop, and then after we fetch all these keys, and based on that we do our transformation what we need for project. So that's for key. If you are going to use this values. So what values will do? So here, if you look at here, these, as I said, all this banana, watermelon and papaya, it's a key. So so corresponding value, green, red, yellow, these are our values. So you can see here, dict key is banana, watermelon, papaya. Dict value fruit color, we have assigned key and value. So item, using item we can see both. Using this keys method we can fetch all the keys. Using values method we can fetch all the values. Using items method we can get combination of key values pair. So here empty dictionary, and what we'll do, we'll create this empty dictionary, and there we'll assign. So there are two ways, one like a curly braces, another what you can do, you can give like this dict also. So either you can do this or this method. So both way we can create our empty dictionary. Okay, so this is the curly brace, opening and closing curly braces, this is the dict. So now what we are trying to do here, we are trying to assign one value. So in dict, in opening one as a key and passing a value, that means in dictionary it will go on first position, in 0 in 1 as a key, and data will go as a value. And let me print and let's see how it looks, then we'll get to know this. So here one data, what we have done, we have created one empty dictionary, and then after we are giving the value 1 and this data. So that like empty, how to create empty dictionary and how to assign value on that. Another what we'll do, another example, what we can do, we are in the same dictionary, we are taking another value, that means we are assigning, you can say we are inserting, another value as a 2, and we are giving the these coders. So dict 2 and giving value could, now you can see here 0 1 we are giving data. I mean, now another example we can take for creating in another way, creating this dictionary and fetching the value. So this is the dictionary I have taken, and what I am doing, I am printing this in one value. So here is this a country capital. In country capital I have India, capital is the New Delhi, Canada Ottawa, and United States I have value Washington DC. So I need to fetch the value. So country capital, and I have given the key. This is the key. So corresponding will get the value. So corresponding this India is the key. Corresponding value is the Delhi. So that dictionary, what we do, we give this a bracket, under bracket we pass the key. This is the one way to fetch the value. Another what we do, we have a get method. Using this get method we can access the elements, access the items of a dictionary. So now let's take another example. In another example we have a car brand. In car brand you can see this is the brand. So car brand, and then after what value I am giving this model. So car brand model, what is the model? The model SUV. If I want to fill, as I said, there are two ways to fetch the value. So first car brand, in bracket you are passing this model, so you get this model, and then after another way to fetch the value using get method. What you have to do, you have to give this dictionary, and then after what you have to do, you have to give this method get, and inside the method you can pass whatever we are giving this model, and then after you can see both is printing this the same way. If you comment this, so both way you can see we are getting this SUV D2, and I'm trying to fetch like a D this get E. So what it will do, here I have a value. Here what if I don't have key, what I'm assigning. So here I'm taking another example. So I'm taking another example. I have this dictionary, and that I'm passing C. C is not defined here. C is, if you look at here, C is not, only I have A and B. So in that case, what it will do, it will assign this C value, because we have given we have given 5. So that means if any key is not found, return the default value if you are providing. So here what we are doing, we are first checking using get method, we are checking C, whether C this present in this dictionary or not. if it's not present, then give this default value. Let's see this. So here we have given 5. What we can do, let's leave this just take it out, this default value. Now it's here, so then it will give you none. Here none. So that means we don't have this value. But what we can do, we can give this 5, and here we can assign this um, this C, and then after what we'll do, we can give maybe 4, and then see how it works. So now you can see we have given already. That means this get method went and it search whether this C present in dictionary or not. If this C present into dictionary, that means it will fetch that value. Otherwise, it will give this defaulted value, which I have given 5. So that for get method. Another example we'll see in this changes value. That means since Python it's mutable, where we can change the value, we can update, we can add, we can edit, we can replace. So here changes, that means what we are doing, we are updating. This is the my car brand is a dictionary, and there I have given brand Toyota, model equal SUV, year equal 2020. But what I want this car brand, their year model, earlier it was 2020, but I wanted to replace with 2024. So what I have given, car brand, and then year I have given 24. So now what this car, and let me comment for the time being, and then we'll see. So here what we are doing, earlier what value was there, it was 2020. Now what we are doing, we are giving 2024, we have updated. So you can see brand equal Toyota, model equal SUV, year equal 2024. So that's for update. You can update this we can update the example. We can say here I have taken this dictionary example, Ottawa to Montreal. So what we are doing, we are giving this Canada, that is the inside of this dictionary, inside of this value, and then we are passing we are assigning the value Montreal. Then you can see what is the value here. You can see after example from keys. Basically from keys, what it does, it method creates a dictionary from the given sequence of keys and value. So if we are giving some keys and value, so from there it will create. So here we can see like a from key method create a dictionary from given sequence of key and value. So whatever key and value we will give, from there it will create a dictionary. So here we can see study material, pen, pencil, drawing. So if you notice here, we are giving pen, pencil, drawing. We are not giving value, how many number you want, pencil, pen, drawing. So in that situation, what we can do, this using this from key, we can pass default values what we want to assign to this dictionary as a value, because we have a key. So here this is the dict. Then what you can do, using dict, then from key is a method, and then after you can pass what is your dictionary, and then you can give number. So I have given 1, and then you can see here. So what I have given number 1, that means I am assigning number 1 to each and everything. This is the static value. It's so that it will go 1 to every items. Here you can see number. If I will give here 2, then it will go 2 everywhere. So in real project, what we do, we use some loop iterator. We use this loop, and using this loop we just generate the number and we pass as a value, so that each and every item will have their unique or separate value, instead of this having this static 2 value. So maybe if we have a 5 item, we can put in loop. Example, we can see like add items. You want to add items, instead of we have seen changes, update that, but we want to add items. So here I have a similar example. I have taken this country capital. There I have India, then capital is New Delhi, then another one country Italy, and I'm giving the Rome. Then now I have a 3 value. Earlier how many values I was having? India, and it will go in the last. So you can see here this Italy and then Rome. So that the value it will go last. And this update method, using update method also. So we have seen like assigning value. What we wanted to do, we wanted method, update method. What update method will do? It will update the dictionary with the item from given argument. So here this is the country capital. Here we have India. Capital is we are updating from New Delhi to Mumbai. So here you can see how to assign the value. Country capital update India and Mumbai. Then after you can update this value, you can print here. So here you can say India, Mumbai. Earlier what key was there? India, and value was New Delhi. Now we have updated from India, from New Delhi to Mumbai. So that we have done through update method. Moving item, how are we going to remove items? We have a two way, one like a pop. Using a pop of method, you can remove the item with a specified key. So you have a pop method, remove the item with the specified key name. So that means you have to assign this, you have to specify this key, and based on the key, what pop will do, it will remove those entry from the dictionary. So here you can say, we can say I have a dictionary, marks. In marks I have this physics is the key. They are having value 80. I wanted to pop chemistry, that means second item. So that is the key. So what it will do, from this dictionary, it will pop this chemistry entry. It will pop, and rest it will give. So if I will print this, let me print both, then you will get to know. So what I'm going to do, so I'm printing here one deleted marks, and what are left, this. So here let me, so here what we are doing, so that is the popped marks. Here popped marks, what we have popped. So we have popped this chemistry 70, and so here you can see we have India, New Delhi, United States, this Washington DC, and Canada already popped here. So because we have specified Canada here. Now we have another method. If such a situation you want to delete a space in dictionary, I am giving the value United States, and you can see here. So what we have left, earlier we had India, New Delhi, United States, Washington DC. So Canada already we popped, and then after United States already we have popped here. So what left over here, this is the India and New Delhi. So now we have India and New Delhi. So that comes. So pop item method remove the last inserted items. So in pop items, what we are doing, we are not giving any a specific key, what key we want to delete, we wanted to pop. So in that case, if you want to use a pop item, and such a situation where you have to something, you have to pop delete from your last entry. So in that case you can use pop item. So pop, if you look at this, name equal Ramesh, age equal 22, salary equal 3500. So what I am doing, I am giving here employee, then pop item. So what is the last entry here? Last entry is here salary, and so return value here, I mean what item we have popped. So that is the return that we are returning, and what left over in our employees dictionary. So let's see here. So now you can see what we have popped. We have popped here, I had taken as of now name, age, salary. What we are going to do, we are going to add this profession IT engineer, and then we are giving the value this employee. So here you can say I have given name Ramesh, age, and then profession IT engineer. Salary we have already popped in, just keep in mind we have already popped in here. We didn't make a comment. If you want, just for clarity purpose, let me comment, and then you can see what we have done. Earlier we had name Ramesh, age 22, salary 3500. Now name Ramesh, age, and we have added in the last. So if you are adding something, it will go, if you are inserting something, it will go in the last. So you can see this profession IT engineer gone, because we have used this pop item. So now, and then after we have printed employee. So that for pop item, and inserting, how to insert new element in our dictionary using that bracket. You can bracket, in that you can pass this key, and corresponding you can give this values, so that new entry will come into dictionary, and you want gone. So here it was total 3, name, age, salary. So we have just deleted here age. So we have left this name and salary. So that for Dale. And so what in copy method we do? So I have taken one example, same this dictionary. This dictionary is copy this country capital. We have country capital. I have given Indian country capital value. I am assigning into country capital 1. Let me print one by one. Then it will be more clarity to you. So India, New Delhi, Canada, Ottawa, United States, Washington DC. You can see same to same both. Okay. Now in such a situation where what I have to do, I have to update the value. So India, in India, let's assume like this capital. Now we have a new capital, it's a Mumbai. So what will happen, just keep in mind here. You can, if you print here, so this is the country capital. What was the value? This is the value. But in same value I have assigned to capital 1 also. So now, but in capital 1 I didn't do any changes from New Delhi to Mumbai. So in that case the same value will get reflected to capitals 1 also. So you can see here, earlier our what was our value India, New Delhi, Canada, Ottawa, and United States, Washington DC. From New Delhi to Mumbai I have changed it. So since I'm using only assignment, just what value I have in country capital, same value I am assigning to country capitals 1. So same value it got reflected. So to avoid this and you have to use some situation where you don't want to reflect the same value in capital country capital. You want to keep this New Delhi itself, but if you want to make a copy of that, and you don't want this New Delhi value Mumbai, it will go and it will reflect both the places. You want capital 1, so you want to keep capitals value this Mumbai, but in capital 1 you want to keep the value old value New Delhi itself. In that case, if you are going to use this assignment, it won't work. I mean, using that assignment, if you are going to copy, it won't work. In that case, what you need to do, you need to use a copy method. So for that a copy method come into picture. What it will do now, if you look at here, what is the value for country capital? I have value for country capital. I have this um, New Delhi, and for capitals 1, what is the value for us? We have for country capital, what we are doing. Let's this is the another example. So let me now what we'll do, instead of this so now instead of this assigning value, what we are doing, we are going to use this copy method. So how this copy method works, let's see here. So here we have a value country capital dot copy. So copy method, that means what value we have in this country capital, it will be copied into country capital copy. Okay. And then what we are doing in so now we have a country capital is having our old value, and in country capital what we are doing, what is the value New Delhi, and what we are assigning, now we are assigning Kolkata. So from India, New Delhi to Kolkata we have assigned. So now if you look at these values, you can see and you can compare here. So here you can see my first print. What is this country capital? We have just copied from New Delhi to Kolkata. So here you can say India Kolkata, that means country capital. Now we have a value this Kolkata, and another my old one, this country capital copied, which I have copied. So now it's this location, this reference ID completely different. Now it's not pointing to the same ID. That's why you can see this country capital is having this updated value Kolkata, and country capital copy is having my old value New Delhi. Other example, this nested dictionary. In nested dictionary, basically as of now we have seen we have a one dictionary. If you look at here, one dictionary, in one dictionary we have a multiple value. Now what we are doing, we have one there. I am taking example of one this is the company. In that company we have a 3 employee, employee 1, employee 2, employee 3. Every employee is having their name and their date of joining. So employee 1 name is this entire dictionary, you can see company. And now Now what we'll do, how to fetch the value. So if you want to fetch the, let's assume you want to fetch the value, what value, what key value we have for employee 1. So how to do? So first, what is the dictionary? Dictionary name is a company, and then after let me go one by one. So first employee, and then after employee 1. That means we are going to fetch this part only. So let's Rahul, date of joining equal 2004. But what we need a specific, what is the name of employee. In that case, what you can do, let me make a copy. I will add here, and then I can give here, this is the name. So here you can see this is the employee 1, and what are the value, name and date of joining. And now what we are doing, we are fetching name only. So name is the Rahul. If you want to make for date of joining also, so what you can do, you can copy simply, and then you can print. So you can say Rahul and date of joining 2004. Similar, then after you can, so this is your key, this is your value, then this is the key, this is your value, like that. So these are the different you can say here keys. Hope it's clear. Now what you can do using this loop, we can use a loop. So here one thing, you can see we have 3 employee, that means 3 entry. What I'm doing here, I'm using this for employee details. So I have given. Now if I want to here, before that, what I can do, I can show you how it looks, this value. So you can see here employee items. In employee items we have this first, let me, this is the one part, that is the employee 1, and this is the value. Then again, what are the keys? We have employee 1 key, employee 2 key, employee 3 keys. If you want to check, let me put one more shell, and then after what we can do, company, then I can give value. So what we are doing, these are the values. That means this is the employee 1, employee 2, employee 3 is the key, and value employee, here name Rahul, on date of joining 2004. So like that, this is the value, this is the values, and this is the values. And what I am doing, so now I have I have splitted this company item. So now we understood what value will have in company this item. So here company items, that means entire key value pair will have. So that means key will go here, value will go here. Let me print here so that you will get better clarity here. Okay, what, let me comment inner loop, and then you can see here how this value is getting populated. So here what I am doing, employee, as I said here, key, I said company items, what it will contain, it will key and pair. So that is the value, that is the key and value. That means this is the key, this is the value. So what is the key here, I told you here, just I have broken into pieces. This is the key, and then this is the value, this is the doing. On top of that, I am putting one more loop, one more for loop. In that for loop, what I am doing, this is the employee detail. So now we got this value, employee 1, employee 2, employee 3. What we have to do, inside of this employee details, we are fetching this value. I want value, I don't what I want, I want value. So this I am taking this a name, this value, and then in here details I am taking this value. So let's see here. So what's happening in, let me comment this, then you can get let me run. Now you can see, so name, here what we are doing, name equal Rahul, then date of joining. Here what we are doing, this using this loop I shown you ever. Here this is the name Rahul, date of join, this value. So here we are breaking into pieces, and I am showing you. I hope it's clear to you. Another example, if such a situation where we need to check the length of this dictionary, that means how many values in that key value pairs, how many. So in that case, what we can do is, here if you look at this length of this country capital. So how many key value here? This is the one entry, this is the two entry, this is the three entry. So here this one key value pair it calls one. So that means in this dictionary we have a three entry. So that is the length of that dictionary. Here in this numbers 10, 20, 30, 40. That means we have a four entries. So that's called four. Length is four. So that for dictionary length, it's a normal what we see in everywhere, the concept of length. That means we are checking the number, how many entries are there. So you can see here 10, 20, 30, 40. That means four entries we have in this numbers. So that's what we have a 10. Here in the last what we can do, we have this clear method. Clear method, what it will do, it will make your dictionary completely empty. So what value we have here, what let me show you what I can do. I will print this capital, I will print this capital, a country capital, and then after I am making this clear. So what it will do, it will kind of omit this value, it will clean this value. So this dictionary will be completely empty. So earlier you can see what is the value, India dictionary is completely empty. So that here we have seen multiple methods function with plenty of examples. I hope it's clear to you, and if you have any doubt, please make a comment, please write a comment and tell me whether you have any issue or you didn't understand any of this concept. So thanks for watching, and see you in another video.